cooling tower. So first problem is this cooling tower is designed to cool water from 40 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees. If the local weather station reports a maximum temperature of 25 degrees, so what is the thermal efficiency of this cooling tower? So we have given 30 in plus 40 degrees, then we have 30 degrees, then report is 25. So our formula is we have the range plus T minus T out, and we have approach plus T out minus the temperature. So the report is the thermal efficiency. So our solution is thermal efficiency equals range over range plus approach times 100. So we put the given value. So we have 40 minus 30 over 40 minus 30 plus 30 minus 25 times 100. So we have the answer 66.67%. So the next problem, we have a cooling tower must reject 5,000 kilojoules per second of heat if the air entering the tower has an enthalpy of 55 kilojoules per kilogram and lives with an enthalpy of 105 kilojoules per kilogram to calculate the required mass flow rate of air in kilogram per second. So we have given the U equals 5,000 kilojoules per second and an enthalpy of 55 kilojoules per kilogram and lives with 105 kilojoules per kilogram. So the required of this problem is the mass flow rate. So the solution is we have the formula mass flow rate equals Q equals H out minus H in, and input the given value. So we have 5,000 kilojoules per second over 105 minus 55 kilojoules per kilogram, cancel the kilojoules. So we have the answer of mass flow rate 100 kilogram per second.